we're going to be setting up a crypto wallet specific to Cardano or ADA. You do not need an email for this. There are a few different wallets you can use. Some are going to take longer to set up than others. One of the wallets that I enjoy using is called Nami. So if you go to namiwallet.io, this is the main page. It's very easy to see that there's very, very minimal page. You can click on whichever browser you're using to add Nami. You can add your extension. So now it's up here in the right. We're going to pin that. And welcome to Nami. So if this is the first time that you're setting up a wallet, you can hit New Wallet. If you already have a wallet somewhere else, you can go to Import. But for now, we're just going to set up a new wallet. So create a wallet. Make sure no one else is watching the screen while the seed phrase is visible. This is very important. This is effectively all the security that you get with a wallet. So this is serious. Make sure that nobody else is watching the screen. You have no screen cap on. And when you hit continue, this is what you're going to see. So because this is a test wallet, this is not, I'm not concerned about you seeing these, obviously, but I do need to write these down somewhere or I would not take a picture of them on your phone. That's one thing that a lot of people do, but I would never suggest doing, because if anybody hacks into your phone, if you accidentally send that image to anyone, they will be able to access your wallet and your funds and your NFTs. So take that very seriously. Do not put this seed phrase, these 24 words on your phone. Put them somewhere safe. Typically, I write them down. I have them in a password keeper. Or some people will literally write them down and keep them in a bank vault or something. Security safety deposit box. But anyway, once these are written down, you can say, I've stored the seed phrase in a secure place, and hit next. Now it's going to verify that you actually have written them down. And so it's going to present you with the same 24 words, except for 4. So in this case, you just have to re-enter the words that are missing. And hit next. So this is your account. You can create an account name. And enter a password. Make sure that you write down this password or keep it somewhere safe as well, along with your seed phrase. You will need this password anytime you perform a transaction for your wallet. Successfully created wallet. Congrats. So that's going to close, and you're going to be like, where did it go? Again, it's an extension. So you can just click back over here, and there it is. This is the new wallet we set up. You can see the name of it here. We have 0 ADA, and that is currently worth $0. Down here, this would show any assets that we had. This would show any NFTs that we had. And this is a transaction history. If you are going to send ADA, you click this button, type in the address, type in the amount of ADA, and hit send. If you are receiving ADA, you can click this button. It'll show a QR code, which some wallets are on your phone. You can take a picture of this, and then it will copy this wallet address into it very easily. Or you can one-click this address, and it's going to copy it over for you. You can post that anywhere that you need. For any settings, there's not many settings, but if you want to change your avatar, you can do that. If you need to create a new account, you can do that. You can connect to a hardware wallet, which we'll talk about in a later section. One thing with Nami is you will have to send ADA to Nami before you purchase any NFTs. But the first thing that you do with a Nami wallet before you can make any transactions is you will have to set collateral. So on Cardano, they use smart contracts. Smart contracts are incredible features of Cardano where you can one-click buy and sell NFTs, but in order to interact with them, you need to have a collateral amount. So this is not going away anywhere. You still own this, but it is stuck in your wallet 5 ADA before it will let you interact with any smart contracts. So in this case, it's set up for 5 ADA. You would have to enter your password, confirm that. Once that collateral has been set up and confirmed, then you will be able to interact with smart contracts.